Hi, my name is Angela Greig, and welcome to 5th, 6th, and 7th period biology. Biology is required in the state of Georgia for graduation. At Walton, it's usually a 10th grade course, and there is an end-of-course exam in the spring. During the fall semester, we'll cover an introduction to basic principles in biology, and some of the topics that we'll talk about include biochemistry, cell structure, and cellular processes. I share information and assignments with the students using CTLS. The unit schedule is posted on the class board, and there are links that go directly to the assignments. And if I should have any extra information for the students, I'll post that in the announcement section. During the first week of school, the syllabus was shared with you and your student, and I'd like to point out some important things on the syllabus. For one, how students will be graded. Tests are 40% of the grade, labs are 30%, quizzes will be 15%, daily work is 5%, and the final exam is 10% of the grade. I am available for extra help on Tuesdays after school and Wednesdays right before school. And if students should have any questions, or parents have any questions or comments for me, I'm available via email at angela.greig@cobbk12.org. Thank you.